Hello, sir.
Hello, tell me. Good morning. Hello.
Good morning, sir. Sir, unmute किए थे सर खुद को सीधे बोल रहे थे.
Okay. Thank you. Today our topic is determination of sine. Then we go for uh, star delta connection and then we will solve some problems. First, this is rise in voltage from negative to positive means it is rise in voltage. So the sign will be positive, and fall in voltage it is considered as the negative. Okay. And that's why yesterday it was incomplete. I'm just briefly doing this. Say in this battery, what happens? Okay, so in this battery, look, this is a inside this battery, this is negative to positive. So if you count, then it is positive, and here it is counted positive to negative. So sign should be the negative. Okay, this is the main things. And now we will go for the star delta. Look, this is a delta connection. Okay, this is a delta connection. So say this is node 1, this is node 2, this is node 3, and here this is star connection. This is 1, this is node 1, this is node 2, that is node 3. So you can say this is RA, RB, and this is RC. Here is R1, R2, R3. Now we have to convert this because sometimes, look, if someone asks you the voltage across this, okay, you can say, uh, but if you want to measure the resistance, equivalent resistance, then it will be not possible. So this type of conversion is required in your circuit theory. So this is called the delta connection, and this is called the Y connection or the star connection. So sometimes we have to convert this is delta to star, and sometimes we need to convert star to delta. Okay, so we have to find it out. Now, because we are going for the delta to star conversion, means this to this to this. Okay. Resistance in terminals 1 and 2 is, look, 1 and 2. What is 1 and 2? That is RC. But look, this is RC. RC is parallel with RB plus RA. This is RC, which is parallel to RA plus, sorry, this is RB, not B, this is RB. Okay, so then if I draw this structure just like this, okay, this is RB, this is RA, this is RC. Look, it is traversing in this anti-clockwise direction. So this is RBRA parallel to the RC. So we can find easily that is RC equal to, sorry, the resistance between this 1 and 2 is RC parallel into RA plus RB divided by RA plus RB plus RC. Okay, there's a multiplication of these two resistance and then divided by the addition summation of this resistance, three resistance. Now this is for the RC. Now if we go for the delta connection, look, this is node 1, only similarities is there. This is node 1, that is also node 1, that is also node 2, here is also node 2, here is node 3, that is also node 3. So we can find the node only, this is similar. So we can find the voltage drop will be similar, means voltage terminal is the common point. Okay, otherwise this is not similar, everything will be dissimilar. So we have to find out the real value. If it was similar, then we have to directly replace, but it is not similar, so we have to calculate the value. So you give the equation number 1. Now referring to the star connection or Y connection. Okay, in figure you can see this is 1 and 2, 1 and 2, here is the resistance, and 3 is now open, so you can say only that is 1 and that is 2. So this resistance look like this. This is 1, this is 2, so this is R1. Look, this is R1, this is R2, not RARB. Okay, this is R1 and R2. So resistance between 1 and 2. 1 and 2 is R1 plus R2. So R1 plus R2. So only these nodes are equal. So whenever these nodes are equal, then we can say, only at that time we can say this one, and this is the equivalent resistance over here, and this is the equivalent resistance over here. So we can, if the potential is equal or nodes is equal, then we can say that R1 plus R2 equal to this item, that is RC, RA, RB divided by RA plus RB plus RC. Okay, look here, the equivalent resistance 1 and 2, here also the equivalent resistance, because we have to convert these things to these things. That's why we are equating. So the resistance of this portion 1 and 2, this is star 1, and it is derived over here, that is star 1. Okay. And then resistance, equivalent resistance over this 1 and 2 for the delta, that is x star 2. So it was calculated over here, that R1 plus R2, that is star 2. So here star 1 is equivalent to star, that is 1, that is star 2. That's why this is coming. Now up to this, I think you can easily understand. Okay, because a summation of this resistance is equal to equivalent resistance of this 2.1 and 2. So we can equate this. So up to this we can evaluate, but this is for only connection 1 and 2. Now we have to find out 2 and 3. Now we have to find 3 and 1. Similarly, you can see 1 and 2 is R1 plus R2, and then RC into RARB in this way. Okay. Then we have to similarly find out, we have to find out for 1 and 3 also. Now we have previously we find it out, we should written over here. We have find it out, that is R1 plus R2 equal to R1 plus R2 is equal to opposite resistance. So that is RC into RA plus RB and summation of all, that is RA plus RB plus RC, that is equation, that is given equation number E. And now we have to find it out for the 1 and 3 also. So look, R1, R2, it is given. Similarly, we can get it R1 plus R3 also. Which one we will get? Just RB. Why this is RB? Look, in this case, that is C, that is A, that is RB, that is 1, that is R1, that is R2, that is R3. Look, RC, if this is the 1, 2, 3, and this is the ABC, so R1 is resemble of this RA, RB is resemble of R2, and R3 is just like resemble means, I want to say that it looks like R3, because RA we can say that is R1, just resemble. RB equal to R2 and RC equal to R3, but this is not exactly equal, but it is resemble, means the position is just like same. So here R1 and R3 is there, you have to choose the opposite resistance. Which one is not available here? So R1 means RA, R2 means RB, and R2 means RB and R3 means RC. So you get this is R1 and this is R3. So you there is R2 is not there. So resemble of R2 is RB. Just similar position. Okay, but this is not equal. So when we get this RB, then other resistance RC plus RA and divided by all resistance RB plus RC. Just look like this. R1 and R2 is here. So R1 means A and R2 means B. So we need to apply this RC. Okay. Just like this. And this is for the B, equation number B. And now for the node 2 and 3, we get R2 plus R3, which is, look, what is the tricks? R2 is there, R3 is there. R2 is resemble of RB and R3 is resemble of RC. So which one is not available? That is RA is not available. So just put down RA and multiply the others resistance. RA is there, so RC and RB we have to write. And then divided by RA, all summation RB and RC. Give this is RC. Give this equation equal to AB, that is C. Okay, we got this three equation, but we are getting only in form of two resistance summation R1, R3, R2, R3, R1, R2. But we need to evaluate the value of any single one in form of single one. Say what is the value of the R1? Then we have to evaluate. Then we have to evaluate these things. So going for the next board that is coming. So if I want to find out, we need to write down the equation so that you can understand. Look, that is first stage small r1 plus r2 equal to just 1 and 2 is there, so c is not there. So rb plus rb is divided by rb rc, that is the equation number a. Okay, so now we are going r2 plus r3. Whenever 2 and 3 is there, so 1 is not there, so 1 means that is a. So this is RB plus RC divided by RA plus RB plus RC, that is the equation number B. And 1, 2 and 3 is done, so 1 and 3 is required. 3 plus 1. So sorry, I have to write 1 and 3. Look, that is 1 and 3. 1 and 3 is there, so 1 and 3 is there, so b 2 is not there, so 2 resemble of rb into ra plus rc divided by ra plus rb plus rc, it equals equation number c. Now we have to find out the value of single resistance, means r1, r2 and this r3. So first find out this R1. Find out. How could I find out? Just write down R1 plus R2 equal to RA plus RB divided by RA plus RB plus RC. Okay. And that R2 means RC RA plus RB by RA plus RB plus RC minus of this R1, this is minus, this is coming here. You have to give this situation D, A, B, C, D. Okay, now putting the value of D in this C, look here we get 1 and 3. If we put the value of D, where is the R2 value? R2 value is here, R2 value is here. So what happens? Look, R2 and 3 is there. So if we put the value in B equation, just 2, here is only 2 is there and 3 is there. So if I put the value of this, what happens? B equation is there. Just put the value of R2 over here, R2. So we get this value RC into RA plus RB divided by RA plus RB plus RC and minus R1. Okay. And here is R3 plus R3 equal to RA RB plus RC divided by RA plus RB plus RC. I think up to this clear to all of you. You can get R3 minus R1. You can get just R3 minus R1. Okay. So R3 minus R1. Look, this one and this one. And take this over here. So RA, RB plus RC divided by RE plus RB plus RC is coming here. That is coming here. So RC, RA plus RB divided by RE plus RB plus RC. Now what happens? Look, these one are equal. So R3 minus R1 equal to, you can take common, denominator is common, that is RA, that is RB, that is RC, and here is RA, RB plus RC minus RC, RA and RB. So R3 minus R1 equal to this. You can break it. So RA, RB plus RARC minus RARC, this one, and minus RCRB. Okay, so this one and this one will cut and we get RA plus RB plus RC. So we get a new equation, that is R3 minus R1 equal to RARB minus RCRB, and that is RA plus RB plus RC. Okay, this is the new equation, and equation number that is 3. Okay, you can change it because we need to change it. Say R1 minus R3, just you multiply with -1, -1 multiply. So -1 also multiplied over here. So what happens? This will come positive and this portion will become the negative. So RC into RB minus RA into RB. You can see RA, RB, and that is RC. that is equation number. Give this equation number here. So that is the equation number G. So you can find in previous cases we got R1 plus R3, and here we got we have got that is R1 minus R3. So here the R1 plus R3 and R1 minus R3. If I summation it, then we get R3 and minus R3 will be nullified. So if we go for the B and G, so for if sum of B and G, so what will you get? Here you can write first B, write down this B, R1 plus R3 equal to what will come? It will come 1 and 3 is there, so RB is coming here. RB equal to RA plus RC. You can see this RBRC. Sorry, 1 and 2. C and you have to write C and G. C and G. C and G. C is R1, R3, RA, RC. RA, RC. That is RA plus RB plus RC, and summation of here R1 minus R3, what is coming? That is RC, RB minus RA, RB divided by RA plus RB plus RC. Look, if I summation it, then 3 R3 R3 will be nullify. So we get only 2R, 2R1, okay, and equal to, look, this portion and this portion is common. So we get only this. If we break this, then we get, okay, new slide. We go for the new slide for your better convenience. Okay, so you can write 2 into R1 equal to, we will get first of all, that is RB into RC plus RA and minus of plus हो रहा है तो RB RC minus RA RB. You have to break it, and denominator is same, so RA plus RB plus RC. You have to break it, so RB RC plus RB RA plus RB RC minus RA RB. So you can see RARB, this RARB and minus of RARB, it will also nullify. So we get RA plus RB plus RC. So we can, and these are the same RBRC, RBRC. So it will also coming 2 RBRC equal to RA plus RB plus RC. Okay, here is also 2R1. So we just cut it. We will get R1 equal to RB into RC divided by RA plus RB plus RC. So you can see in delta to star, conversion, R1 is RB and RC. So here we can apply a trick that R1 equal to RB and RC. But in previously I told you that R1 is resemble of RA, R2 is resemble of RB and R3 is resemble of RC. So here any resistance is required, say R1 is required, so we have to put the other resistance. Say R1 is required, so resemble of R1 is A, you have to left it, then other resistance multiplication and divided by the summation. So in this way we can write down if I got R2 equal to what? So other resistance is R2 resemble of RB. So we have to take RA and RC, just left it. And then RA plus RB and RC. This is the formula. Okay. Now R3. R3 is resemble of RC. So just left it. Then we have to put RA into RB. That is RA plus RB plus RC. Okay, so in this way, again I am writing R1 is there. R1 is resemble of RE. So just left it. So another is RB and RC. Just put down RA plus RB plus RC. So this is the start to delta conversion. And there is another way, not another another problem is that we have to convert it delta to sorry, this is was delta to start. Now we have to convert it to the start to delta. Okay, so please note it down, then we will go for the delta to start. Now start to delta conversion. So this is delta, you know, that is RA, that is RB, and that is RC. And for the star, that is R1, that is R2, that is R3. So traversing in this anti-clockwise direction. RA, RB, RC, R1, R2, R3. That is R3. We have to convert it uh, from start to delta. So we are coming here in this direction, start to delta. Now we are going for the directly. We have to write it RA equal to, because time is less, I will explain so later. Look, RA equal to R2 plus R3. Just write down the formula first, by R1, and that is R2 plus R3. RB equal to, just look like A is required, A is given, A is resemble of 1. Say RA is resemble of R1, RB is resemble of R2, and RC is resemble of R3. So where A is given, then just left it the resemble of A. So R1 is left out, and R1 divided by denominator and others to resistance. So here B is there, so we not need to write down the B. So R1 plus R3, and just R2 is divided, because this is resemble of this, and others resistance, that is R1 plus R3. Here also RC, R3 is resemble of R3, so left out the R3, we are getting only R1 plus R2, and R3 is just denominator R3, and other resistance that is RC is left, so R1 plus R2. That is the formula, and it is a long process. So just remember it. Then we will go for the solution. I will give you three questions, and it was asked in GATE also. Then I will solve it. So guys, this is for this class. Time is over, and please join within 2 to 5 minutes. Okay. Okay. Please join within 2 to 5 minutes.